You ripe?
Turn. Not right. Not full ripe, but it can be ripe.
It start ripe.
Start ripe, yeah.
Come down. Mama. After man, if you tell about it, you know. I will leap in a tree, you know.
Yeah, a few more.
Because I one later. They will set you big and long, though.
Huh?
They set you where to go big and long.
Not beer too much.
Look for now one day.
So you not beer too much.
I see it.
I got that.
Yeah, that one that way.
Not right there.
No, not ready yet.
It's right in the beer.
It's right?
Not right.
Another one day. My God.
I say that
One day for basket, yeah.
Have a look at spot yourself, but I don't matter.
My God, guys, this is my soursop tree.
Yeah, I could cheat after that.
Soursop tree, guys. Soursop tree, guys.
Yeah, they got tell.
And this is my video. This is banana. Banana planting this babes or banana alone? Planting this? So this is planting. Two of them are planting?
Yeah.
Planting trees. So I have pumpkin around there, guys. Hey.
And potato.
Yeah, now come see. It's a potato this? Potato come there. See potato?
Young callaloo.
And we have young callaloo. Yes, guys. This is a potato too?
A potato.
Yes, I get potato.
This one look a young cabbage.
That's a callaloo. And that's a
Cabbage.
so the callaloo that you just dig out?
No man, that wild plant there.
And down here some have pine this, pine that. Over there so I have lime. Them here a banana.
Yeah.
You have banana, them here a banana, guys. You see? Who remember them stick here? Bamboo stick, line stick. Remember them here? I better not have them here foreign.
What?
Bamboo stick. Line stick. I better not have them here foreign.
That's a great rump face.
This is our banana again, babes. Watch out, one of them a shoot.
Yeah, it's a shoot.
Banana here shoot, guys. Banana here shooting. So we soon have banana. And this is more pine. Oh God, babes. Guys, and see, I have grape around pan. I have grape around pan vine. Grape around pan the fence, eh? See there? Grape on the fence. I have banana over here, so again. Guys. Right there, so I have pine. And over here, so I have coconut. A fruitful backyard. Look at that. God bless your hands. This is a healthy ackee tree. Ackee. More banana on the fence over there, so more pine. See pine there, so. Guys, and see pine over there, so. Plus, see all the way up there, so. What you call it? Grape. See grape run gone all the way up. Like it had to take off the whole of the fence, guys. Yeah, see all the grape run come down here, so run. Yeah, guys. Nice fruitful backyard, you know. Now the St. Catherine. St. Catherine hillside. See there? Nice green backyard, eh? Nice green backyard. Not have much space, but we are make do with what we have. Yeah, show the line again. Me I ask you say if you don't have bamboo line stick offering. For those of you that is over on the other side, you don't have bamboo line stick. Me doubt it. Someone will not even have outside because the weather on phone side. You don't have like line outside. Everything after the inside, but this is Jamaica. Yeah, guys, place to the rain. It's one place where weed a little bit. The gardener supposed to come in and cut the lawn. But look at my soursop tree. Massive soursop tree, guys. A bare 4 pound, 5 pound soursop me I get off of it. So take a look again. And my pumpkin. This is planting soon come. And down here so I have callaloo, sweet potato and cabbage in the ground there. Take time come up. Yes. Yes, guys, over here so I have pepper, see pepper tree there. Pepper tree. And I have more. I have whole heap, but you can't see them. Whole heap of soursop up in the tree. See them there? Big and nice. Soursop. Pepper tree. I just pick them pepper here off of the pepper tree. Every day we get at least 3 pepper and more. Got the big soursop drop off over there, so you never see that. Yes, guys. Some more pepper there. So our next pepper come up. Nice. So another one here. Nice. So I have one next. Mint. Who know the mint here? Yeah, it's a mint. This is a mint. Regular mint in your backyard. Yes. And then this now have a next soursop tree. Over this a bush. Nobody will live over this. From time to time we have to chop them over there. So this is my then over here, hear the birds. Hear the birds chirp. Here I have cherry tree. Just I give you a tour of all my fruit trees, guys. A little walk around the yard showing all my fruit trees. So this is cherry tree. Now I have sweet sap tree. Yes, guys, so the memory on the next phone full. So this is another phone. So I'm showing you my cherry tree. Don't finish, don't start bearing as yet. Yeah, it bear one time already, and then over to my sweet sap tree. So this is sweet sap tree. Yes, guys. So these are all my fruit trees, and then the final one now is my third soursop tree. This is the third soursop tree, guys, and this one don't start bearing yet either. So only one of the tree start bearing. You see how it big and nice. Melissa come and beat it up bad and see it grow up back fresh and nice. Yes, guys. So it's good to have trees, fruit trees in your yard, to eat what you grow. Yes, guys, and the soursop them, I give them when they come up, I give them to my neighbor. Any one of them will come up in abundance. I never really sell anything from my tree. My trees, them I always give them away to family and friends and neighbors. Yeah, man. I'm gonna start preserve some of them now because winter you can't get them guys. Boy, and then sometimes them so expensive to buy at the market. So we definitely when them come up enough, we're gonna start preserve some of those that can be preserved. You understand? So this is my little Sunday evening walk in the yard and just showing you my fruit trees. Yes guys, thank you so much for sticking and staying. Yeah man. Nice. The yard kinda need cutting. But that's alright. That's alright, my show now. Remember me say simple lifestyle. Yes. Simple lifestyle. Guys, over this bush, watch bush. Nature. Yeah, pretty. Greenery nice. Yeah, nobody not live over there so yet neither. So I don't know if nobody buy the land them, but this is it guys. Alright. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for sticking and staying to the end of this video. Just showing you some fruit trees, fruits and vegetables that I have in my backyard garden coming up soon. Yes guys, this is it. See you in the next video. It's a beautiful journey, free from all the pain. A new day's dawning, the rhythm starts to sway. In the kitchen, positive vibes to light the way. Got the spices lined up, the herbs are looking green. Come gather around my people for the finest food you've seen. From the humble ground where the love and flavors grow. KK Kitchen and more, just letting you all know. Yeah. One love, one heart, one kitchen for you. Subscribe and join the crew. You know what to do. From the island breeze to the city's concrete floor. Thank you for watching. Come back and ask for more. Yeah. Respect to the journey, every step along the way. We're here to share the goodness, come what may. No need for pretense, we're just being true. Cooking from the soul for me and for you. This humble space, a peaceful sacred place. We're moving forward, yeah, at our own steady pace. One love, one heart, one kitchen for you. Subscribe and join the crew. You know what to do. From the island breeze to the city's concrete floor. Thank you for watching. Come back and ask for more. Yeah, thank you for driving with me through the sunshine and the rain. It's a beautiful journey, free from all